with a red Play-Doh.
Let's make shapes. Circle. Put some Play-Doh in the shape. Elmo loves to learn about shapes. Put some Play-Doh in the shape. Great job! There's one. Circle.
We have one
Where
circle.
else can you find a circle? Let's make another shape.
Let's make another circle.
Good job! Let's make shapes. Pentagon.
Come on, Cookie Monster, you gotta help me. Let's push this first. We got pentagon.
Let's make another shape.
Just wait, please. I don't have red Play-Doh anymore, so I'm gonna use pink.
Hi, Elmo loves shapes. Let's make shape. Octagon. Put some Play-Doh in the shape. Look at it. Let's make another shape.
Not yet. We got octagon.
Hi, Elmo loves shapes. Let's make shapes. Square. Put some Play-Doh in the shape. Yay! Let's make another shape. Hi, Elmo loves to learn about shapes. That's a square. Square has 4 sides. Let's make a triangle.
This is a square.
Hi, Elmo loves shapes. Let's make shapes. Triangle. Triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. Good job!
It's a laughing triangle.
Hexagon. Let's make another shape.
1, 2, 3.
Good job! 4. Now we have 4 circles.
1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's take a look at the Play-Doh mat with different shapes. Here we can see Elmo holding the balloon, the school bus. Now let's fill up the shapes in the play mat. What shape is the sun? Perfect. It's circle. Let's find some more shapes. What shape is the window? Very good. It's square. What shape is the balloon of Elmo? You are excellent. It's circle. That's circle. What shape is the birdhouse? Very good. It's pentagon. Let's find more shapes. We have another window here. What shape is it? Very good. It's square. What shape is that window above Big Bird? Excellent. That's hexagon. Let's find some more shapes. What shape is the stop sign? Wow, you're so smart. That's octagon. Let's find more shapes. What shape is that? Wow, very good. That's triangle. Any more shapes that you see? The tire of the bus. What shape is it? Very good. It's circle.
Hi, Elmo loves shapes. Let's make shapes. Pentagon. Octagon. Square. Triangle. Hexagon. Circle. Pentagon.
Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. And don't forget to subscribe. Have a good one.